The Speaker of the House has laid a complaint with police after discovering native birds used in a 1080 protest were almost certainly bludgeoned to death. Protesters laid dead birds on the steps on Parliament yesterday along with fake 1080 pellets. They claimed the birds, including two Kirayu, two Waker and a red-billed gull, were killed by 1080 poisoning. However, Trevor Mallard says the cause of death was blunt force trauma. I think that any reasonable person would consider bludgeoning birds to death for a political purpose is just unacceptable. He says he's a firm believer in the right to protest, but they have to stay within the law. All of those birds, protected birds, and it is illegal to either kill them or to be in possession. Barry Soper told Larry Williams that it is illegal to kill native birds, with punishments including a $100,000 fine or 2 years in jail.